Sally Babbitt, attorney, author, and mediator, is joining us in studio today. Always an interesting topic that you got up your sleeve, Sally. Today we're going to talk about opportunities to learn more about how the court system works. Say more about this.
Yeah, this is a great opportunity that just seems to fly under the radar. So, as an example, in April, I believe, the Michigan Supreme Court has this community connection program where high schools or colleges can try to learn more about the judicial system, and the students can actually see an actual case heard before the Supreme Court on site. So they went to Lowell High School, the actual Supreme Court went to Lowell High School, heard an actual case argued. And at this point, you know, that's the culmination of the whole educational process. This is open to any group in the state.
I've never heard of this before.
Isn't that great?
So,
it was like the 31st time they've done this.
and this is a way to educate people about the Supreme Court
Yes.
or the judicial system?
Yes, exactly. And of course, the public is always welcome. I shouldn't say invited, but the public can always attend. You know, a court proceeding, and that was the case in Lowell. But this is specific to, you know, a project basically between the school and the Supreme Court, and then they come out and argue this case. And it's just a great learning experience for students and the community to really see what that's like.
So this is the 31st time this has happened.
Yes.
Do they do a couple a year? I've got to imagine.
It's really kind of an on-demand or on-request situation. They've done 31, but that's been over several years. So they don't do them regularly. It's more of you reach out, you know, your group reaches out. So it's just a wonderful experience to be able to do that.
So you said groups. So this could be schools. This could be a community group.
Yes. Yes,
Anything
absolutely.
Like that? Where do they go get more information?
If you go to Michigan courts, Michigan Supreme Court, you could Google that, Community Connections.
Okay.
There's quite a bit of information there that you can get a contact number.
So maybe if you're involved in a school system and you thought this would be great for the students to be a part of, you could reach out and maybe try to get one of these cases in your district.
Yes, what a great opportunity.
What a really good opportunity. I love it. That's awesome. Well, we're going to put the information on the screen, so if people want to learn more about it, they can visit your website, SallyBabbittLaw.com, 517-507-3306.
Always good talking to you, Sally.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you.